I'm an immunologist and I'm primarily interested in liver immunology. I'm focusing on stroma cells, their immunoregulatory properties in liver diseases and liver injury. We are also interested in dendritic cells, myeloid cell network, and how the stroma cells and myeloid cell network interact with each other to influence liver disease progression. I think EASL can provide a lot of opportunities for young investigators. It is a very active community and there are a lot of opportunities to interact with other colleagues on internet forums, for example, or on Facebook page of EASL. And there are always some networking events which is organized by the young investigators, for young investigators. It's every Thursday night on each annual meeting. This is the very popular young investigator dinner party, which is, I think, a great opportunity to interact with other people. I think there are a lot of advantages, not only to attend the conference or have access to the Journal of Hepatology, which is a great hepatology journal, but also you, as a young investigator, you can apply for mentorship or fellowship programs which can help your career. At the same time, there is a great application what you can download from the internet. This is the Liberatore. So this is an app where you can watch previous webcasted seminars, or you can look through PowerPoint presentations. So it is a great opportunity to really get to know hepatology, different fields of hepatology, and it is really not only for young investigators, but really for any age. I have been participating in networking events here, also on the President's dinner. Last time I've been at the EASL in London, and this was fantastic. It was a great opportunity to really speak with faculty members. I also enjoy very much the scientific content, specifically this year because there is a lot of liver immunology or immunological aspects, which is very relevant for my work. I published in Journal of Hepatology a review a few years ago about dendritic cells. I was primarily interested in dendritic cells because of my previous work as a postdoctoral fellow at Harvard Medical School. Dendritic cells are very intriguing cell type in the liver because they have a very key immunoregulatory role, and they are relatively undiscovered what they actually do during liver diseases. It's not a large population of cells, but because of their potent antigen-presenting capacity, they play a role in many different diseases. And in my lab, we are interested to uncover these particular features of these cells. I think it is very unique, the extent of the support of young investigators. I have been a member of other communities as well in immunology, and this is particularly supportive for young people. And I find it very good on the conferences that the poster sessions are very long, which gives you enough time to really look through the posters and talk with the authors yourself. So it is, I think, very ideal. I think one of the hot topics is definitely the gut-liver axis, which was at the Basic Science Symposia. I think I was very happy to see this topic first because there are so much knowledge out there about microbiomes and how they influence various diseases. And basically this Basic Science Symposium summarized where the field actually stands for the liver. So there were so many aspects, from the metabolomic aspect, from key pathways, from immune regulation, how dysbiosis affect liver diseases. So it was a great summary where the field stands in terms of gut-liver axis. The other thing I think which was particularly interesting, is liver tumor biology. I find it very interesting that people more and more look at not only single cell types, but really the interaction of the microenvironment, immune cells, parenchymal cells, stromal cells, and how they influence tumor growth. Specifically, I think it's a great lecture, which will be tomorrow, the state-of-the-art lecture from Michael Karin. He's a leading expert on how inflammation would promote carcinogenesis. And I think it will be very interesting to hear his opinion and results on how a chronically injured liver would induce hepatocellular carcinoma. I enjoyed very much the scientific content and really the networking opportunities. There are so many places where you can sit down and talk with the people and meet, have a tea or coffee. It's really very inspiring.